Welcome back. In the Layers panel, click the triangle for the package layer to show the layer content. I know I clicked it. Try again. There we go. Command click if you're on a Mac, or Control click on Windows the eye icon to the left of the package layer name to show the content for only that layer in outline mode. So I'm going to hold down, because I'm on a Mac, the command button and click that icon, and only those items are in outline mode. You see the little outline eye right there. You should be able to see the rounded shape near the bottom of the packaging down here. An arrow is pointing so that's what we're talking about, this rounded shape right here. Click the lock icon in the Layers panel to unlock the package layer. So that layer is now unlocked. With the selection tool selected, on the artboard, click the edge of the shape or drag across part of it to select it. So if I drag across part of it, that selects it. Command click on a Mac, or Control click on a Windows the eye icon to the left of the package layer. So Command package, and that puts it back in preview mode again. You can still see the outline and bounding box of the shape on the artboard because it's still selected. In the Layers panel, drag the selected path by its name up above the top object in the layer. So this path one right here, we're going to drag it up above this top one still in the package layer, but right there, and release it. In this case, you could have also used Object Arrange Bring to Front command. It would have come to the same result. Click the triangle to the left of the package layer to hide that content. You can see that now that layer, you can see it down here. Choose Select, Deselect, and let's click File and then Save. Sometimes you need to bring artwork from outside of your project into your project. If you paste content into your project from another Illustrator document that has layers, you can preserve those original layers in the document you're pasting into. In this section, you'll find the additional content. You'll add the final content of the packaging artwork by pasting the text from another document into your project. Let's choose Window, Workspace, Reset Essentials. Choose File, Open, and we're going to get this packaging text. Choose View, Fit Artboard in Window. Click the Layers Panel tab to show the panel. And see the two layers that contain the content. Choose Select All, and then we're going to choose Edit, Copy, and that copies the content into the clipboard. Choose File and then Close, and that closes that file without saving any changing. If a warning dialog box appears, click Don't Save or No. Back in the Cookie Package AI file, in the Layers panel, click the menu icon right here, and then choose Paste Remembers Layer. Paste Remembers Layer. Paste Remembers Layer is not selected by default, which means whatever you paste into your document, that new content goes onto whatever layer is selected when you paste. With it selected or turned on, the layers from the original document are added to the document you are pasting into at the top of the layers panel list. Choose Edit and Paste. That's going to paste the content into the center of the document window. The Paste Remembers Layer option causes the layers from the package to be added to the top of the layers panel. If you see a swatch conflict dialog box like I have, ensure that Merge Swatches is selected, like this, and then click OK. There's at least one color in the artwork you're pasting that is the same as the color in the cookie package file. Merging will merge the incoming swatches using the color values of the existing swatches. Now you'll merge the newly pasted layers together. Drag the selected artwork on the artboard down into position, let's see, we just need to drag this down. Oop, 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 oop. Command Z. Is that like it's supposed to be? Let me look at my finished product. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. There you go. So then let's double click the new sublayer. Mine's brand text. Change the name to text, and then press enter. We could have left the layers as is, but like I said, having a single layer for all of the text in this case will probably make it easier for us to select, hide, and lock it all at once. So we're now going to talk about duplicating layers. You can also use the layers panel to duplicate layers and even content on a layer. Duplicating layers is useful if you want to make versions of a project like a poster, or maybe if you have text on a layer and want to convert all of the text to outlines. Making a copy of the text layer means you still have the original text in case you need to make changes later. In the Layers panel, select the text layer. Choose Duplicate Text from the Layers panel menu. Duplicate text right there. This duplicates the layer and the content is pasted in place on top of the original layer content. Click the eye icon for the original text layer to hide it temporarily. Now to make a simple change for our new text version, you'll select the colored part of the two eyes and change their fill color. Select the Direct Selection tool, which is the second one down. Click the green part of one of the eyes on the artboard. That green part, green. Shift click the green part in the other eye to select both. You use the Direct Selection tool because all of that content is grouped. The Direct Selection tool lets you select content within a group so you can do simple things like change the fill color. Open the Properties panel. Click the fill color and choose another color. So I didn't do something right. Let me see what I did wrong. Select the Direct Selection tool. That's the Direct Selection tool. Click in the green part. Let me do this first. Select, deselect. Okay. Now, yeah, you got to deselect everything. Now select the green. Yeah, that's what happened. Mine was all selected. So just make sure Click one, hold down the shift key, click the other, so you can see both of my eyes are now selected. Why didn't somebody tell me I was doing that wrong? And then we're going to pick another color. All right, let's pick that one. There we go. There we go. All right, select, deselect. Now, if you wanted to change or show the original text, you could show the text layer content and hide the text copy layer. In the layers panel, click any of the triangles so you only see the top layers in the layers panel if necessary. All right. We don't have much more. This video may be a little longer. We're going to create a clipping mask now. The layers panel lets you make clipping masks to control whether artwork on a layer or in a group is hidden or revealed. A clipping mask is an object or group of objects with its shape that masks artwork below it in the same layer or sublayer so that only artwork within the shape is visible. Now you'll take the image that is off the right edge of the artboard and use the white mouth shape to mask or hide the parts of the image. We want it to look like the cookies are in the bag and you can see them through the little mouth opening. Select the selection tool. Selection tool. Select this image over here that's to the right of the artboard. Click the triangle for the mouth layer. So you can see the content for that layer. You will see image listed at the top. We will use the white mouth shape as the mask. In the layers panel, a masking object must be above the object it masks. In the case of a layer mask, the masking object must be the topmost object on a layer. Click the white mouth shape on the artboard to select it. Something is amiss. All right. Okay. Choose what? Let's try it and see if it works. I've confused myself. I know you find that hard to believe. Object, arrange, bring to front. Oh, I think this is the mouth, this path. So click where it says path right there. Object, arrange, bring to front. No. Object, arrange, object, arrange. Oh, I still got this thing selected. I gotta have, I'm so stupid. Try it now. So I had this image over here. Object, arrange, bring to front. See how it moved that up here to the top? So the path was down here, it moved it to the top. So, this mouth shape will be used as a clipping mask for all of the content on the layer, so it needs to be at the top of the layer stack. So drag the cookie image onto the white mouth shape. Like that. In the layers panel, click the name of the mouth layer to highlight it. Click the Make Release Clipping Mask button at the bottom of the layers panel. Make release clipping mask. Click that. If you look in the layers panel at the mouth layer, you'll see that the name of the mouth shape is now clipping path. See that right there? It's now clipping path and is underlined. Both indicate that it is the masking shape. Choose Object, Arrange, Send to Back. So the image is now behind the teeth. On the artboard, the mouth shape has hidden the parts of the image that extended outside of the shape. So let's do select, deselect. So there, this is what your finished product. Let's see if mine looks like it's supposed to. Yep, pretty good. Good job. So the things that we'll be looking for is when you submit this, I should have all of these. You should have a text copy, a text, cookie type, arms, mouth, package. I should be able to click in these and see all of the things. If you don't have them in the right order, this picture is not going to look right. So your arms need to be in the front. You should see the cookies. You should see the teeth. We did this down here. We changed the eye color, so on and so forth. So click File and then Save and then close it. And this completes Lesson 10.